This video was sponsored by Apple and a fin which was made in 1976. It started in the BCs before. In this video today, we're going to show you how to unbox iPad and the case. So let's get started. Let's unbox the whole packet first. This is what you'll get in the box, and it says iPad. So it's the iPad 9th generation. Let me get this bad boy out. I'm going to need to get a knife. I'm going to need to get something sharp. Maybe a battery sharp. Oh, it's not sharp enough. Let me get a pair of scissors. So I got some scissors. Finding out it's very tricky to unbox. You just need to cut it all the way right here. Cut it right here. Let me just break this bad boy out of the way, and after when we get it out, we're gonna... Oh, it's getting a little scratch. We can now take it out. We just bought this bad boy. This bad boy is now out of the tricky bit to unbox. Now let's get this guy out. Now let's get this guy out of the box. Just a few tips. If you are an Apple member, hit the like button down below. If you're not lying, it will turn blue. No, Mom. I'm making a video. Goodbye. So there you go. We have now unboxed the thing. We are now about to see. So the first things first you'll get is a new iPad. And see, it's designed in California. And in here, you get a charger.
Suleiman.
What's that? Bye. Give me a knife.
Bye.
Yes.
So we already got this out. And here's our charger.
Mario, it has the, what do you call it? Street Fighter, it has the cars, it has the Pac-Man. So I thought it was really good.
Yeah, that is good. Where'd you find it?
And we can join it everything.
Where did you find it?
We found it. Now let's plug it in.
And they will move to somewhere else.
So we're just gonna plug this back here and then plug it here for the charging, and then we will connect it right into the circuit space here. And done. It's already charged. Now let's unbox the case. So there's an Apple Play storage in it, and it's $49.95. Now we'll just usually get this case. Let's put it in to see if it fits. So I was supposed to throw away it, not eat. Here's the case. And don't forget, let's put it in.
That's enough. You don't see nothing.
Oh, it's hard to put it in. It's the right side. Let's see if I can get this guy, bad boy. He's too big. Oh, support. Oh, how to make the wall see. So we already got. So there we go. Who loves the iPad? Like if you are. Now let's grade. This iPad is so beautiful. Let's turn it on. There we go. It shows up this Apple logo. It means California. And even don't forget, there's even also some stickers you can collect from the store.
Still here, Simon. Simon.
Hello. Great. This iPad shows up other different languages. But we're just going to only click when it's in English. It also does the same thing. Well, click. Time to choose our language. 1 second, let me just give out the Apple sticker. Now let's select our language. So we're in Australia, so we're going to click English. Select your region. Australia. Setting language. And here we have our quick start. Let's set up manually. Next we need to choose a Wi-Fi connection. Warning, I won't show up your password, but I'll put it in for you. I'll just connect.
Okay. That's where
But just then, connect. So the password for this is HW. Let me enter it in. It's W.
You do not get any honey.
3U8. BRBE. Join. Unable to connect to join the network. HW3. No. U8. Join. Let's see this time it's gonna work. This will take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Unable to activate.